So today we will install JDK in our system. So to check whether our system has JDK or not, just click search on command prompt, open this and type a command java space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. Here, you will see that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means this system does not contains any Java or Java version or JDK version. So, to install JDK, we have to go on Google and just type Oracle Java and search that in Google. After that, what we have to do is open this first link, that is www.oracle.com, and click on that link. Once the page is loaded, you will see in the right hand side there is a one button that is download Java, and to download it, we have to click this button. After that, scroll down. Here you will see the latest version of Java 19 and 17 is available on this website. Scroll down. Here are different OS is present, which is Linux, Mac, and Windows. This is Windows. Click on that, and here you will install this 64 installer, which is 158 file. Click on this link and it will start downloading. As I have already installed it, just click on this and open it. It will take few seconds. Grant this permission, and it will take few more seconds to open the window. Here you will see that it is a new window open, which is saying that installation wizard. Now click on next. In on next, it will show that it will create a folder which is in a C drive and in a program file folder. Then it will create one folder Java, and in that Java we have JDK 90. If you want to change this path, you can change it by clicking on the change button. Now I just want like this only, so I will press next. It will take few more seconds to install here. Okay, now you can see that it is successfully installed here. Now close this window. To check whether it is installed and the folder is created, open the folder, uh, this PC, then click on C drive, then go on a program files, and in program files we have Java folder. Click on that. After that we have JDK 19. Click on that, and here we have already installed it. To set a environment variable, what we have to do is click on this bin folder and this path copy this path. Now what you have to do is here click on start button, and here we search environment variable. Here you can see that edit the system environment variable. We have to edit a system environment variable, not as a account variable. So click on this. Okay, this pop-up is open. Now in advanced settings, here you will see the environment variable button. Click on that. This is for the particular folder and this is for system. So scroll down, you will find a path. Now click on this and edit it. Now as I have already installed, here I have path. You can also create a new path by clicking here new and paste that path here and okay, then press okay and here okay. Now again we will check whether it is successfully installed or not. Click on command prompt, open it, and write a command java space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. Here you can see that we have successfully installed the JDK and set the environment variable also. So we have Java of version 19, which is the latest version.